Have you been searching for a way to drive more sales to your online and local stores for free? If yes, I will recommend you to list your business on Google. By so doing, potential customers will be able to discover you online whenever they search for your product or services on their browser. I am Chris, founder of Proverb Digital. In this course, I will walk you through on the practical step-by-step guide on how you can get your business listed on Google in order to drive more sales without running paid ads on Facebook or Instagram. In this course, we will cover the following key areas. Number one, how to list your business on Google for free. Number two, how to get a free website from Google. Number three, how to upload and publish your product on Google for free. Number four, how to request your customers to drop a review about your product in order to gain public trust. Number five, how to review your business performance and a lot more. The good thing about this is that irrespective of your location or country, you can get your business listed on Google in less than 4 minutes and start generating sales. Having said this, let's quickly dive into the practical section. Okay, just a quick one. I just want to show you briefly how the Google My Business work when people get their business listed, how people can be able to find them online. So let's take for instance that I'm in Kaduna and I wish to buy a corporate suit for my friend's wedding and I don't have a vendor in mind. What I will do as a potential customer is for me to go to my browser and type best corporate suit sellers in Kaduna, and Google is going to bring out list of different registered vendors for me to review and contact them. So you can see from my laptop screen, IMSA by Multidar Group, J. Kakitas Fashion Enterprise, and so on and so forth. Now the reason why those people business are listed on Google is because they have registered their business on Google search engine and map. That is what I will teach you in this course. Everything about this whole process is very simple. In less than 4 minutes, you can get your business listed on Google and start making sales. Now let me show you how these people can get traffic. Now, looking at the search results, you can see the name of the vendor. You can also get information like their contact. So I can copy the contact here, I can copy the contact and reach out to them to make inquiry. I can chat them via WhatsApp or I can call them. Now if you want to get more information about a particular vendor, you just click on the vendor. You will now be directed to the vendor page, as you can see on my laptop screen. Now if you wish to visit the physical location of the vendor, then you can click on direction. So through Google Map, you will now be directed on how you can locate the vendor. If you wish to visit the business or the company website, you can click on website. You will now be directed to the website of the business for you to review what they have in their store and shop online. And at the same time, you can also check out items they have available in their store page. You can see it's very simple and flexible. So that's all about how it works. You can also check out reviews to see what people are saying about the particular vendor, so that you will be assured that you are dealing with the right person. So imagine that you have your business listed. This is what Google will offer to you for free, a platform whereby people can be able to see you or see your business online, engage you, and patronize your business. To get access to this course, kindly visit our website at elearning.prowebdigital.com.ng, or you can check the description of this video and click on our website URL.